CM 365, all about Carnatic music. One Rasika wanted to know what jati means as far as talam is concerned. So today I thought I will explain about that. Jati, the word means variety, and this indicates what kind of a variety the talam has. Now, if you look at the main angas which are prevalent in the seven talas that we see, the Saptatala Alankaras, we have what we call as the Dhrutam, Anudhrutam, and Lagu. These are the three components of the talas here. Of course, there are other components, but these do not come under the purview of the seven talas. Now, Anudhrutam has got a value of 1 and is reckoned as one beat. Dhrutam has a value of 2 and is reckoned as a beat and a wave of the hand. So these two are constant in terms of their numbers and there are no variants on this. But the lagu, we see that has number of varieties, and based on this lagu only the jati is determined. The lagu can have a variety of 3, 4, 5, 7 or 9 and thus are called as Tishra, Chatushra, Khanda, Mishra and Sankirna for the representation of the 3, 4, 5, 7 and 9. Now let us see how these jatis come about based on these lagu varieties. I will take the simplest of this talam, the Rupaka talam first, where you have the lagu, a dhrutam and a lagu. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here the dhrutam is constant, as I said earlier. So the variance will happen only in the lagu portion. So for example, suppose I say it is a Tishra Jati Rupagatalam, the lagu value will become 3 like 1, 2 and then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now if it's going to be a Chatushra Jati Rupagatalam, the lagu will have the value of 4 like 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if the same Rupakatalam is of the Khanda variety, then the Lagu will have the value of 5 and will be like 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, the same thing if it is to be of the value of 7 and becomes Mishra Rupaka, how it will look like 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now the same thing if it's going to be Sankirna, it will be like 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So based on the Lagu varieties, the jatis are formed. Now, if you look at each of the talams, the Dhruva, Matya, Jampa, like that, the 7 talams, in each of these talams, this 5 variety of jati is admissible. So that is why we say that when each talam can have the 5 varieties of Tishram, Chatushram, Khandam, Mishram and Sankirnam, the 7th talam into 5, 35. So that way we are able to generate 35 jatis from these 7 talams we are able to generate. Now, if you ask me whether all this is of practical use, then I would say that not many of them actually are used practically in the sense that as far as the compositions are concerned, we mainly have the what we call as the Chatusra Jati Triputa Talam, which comes like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You must be wondering what I'm putting Adi Talam and saying something here. Yes, the Adi Talam is a common name for this Chatushra variety of Triputa Talam. So it is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, some very rarely you see compositions in the Tishra Triputa is there. Sometimes in the Jampa Talam, you see the Mishra variety of Jampa Talam. There are some few compositions of Tyagarajar. Of course, Dikshadhar has composed the Navagraha Kritis in all the Sapta Talas. So that way he has employed all the different jatis of the Lagu through these 7 Talas composition that he has done. But Finally, I would like to again make to you mention that jati is nothing but the variety of the lagu. And based on what is the variety of the lagu, the talam gets named. So suppose there is dhruva talam, you can have tisra jati dhruva talam, you can have chatusra jati dhruva talam, mishra jati dhruva talam. Like this, for every talam, you can have different jatis. Thus, jatis happen to be the varieties of the lagus as we see in the talas. CM 365, all about Carnatic music.